clean my room with me. It's a little bit messy. Okay, first we have this tissue colour. I have my signature. I don't know that one, but I touched another video. And this thing is, that's what's cool, because I don't know. And then this big axolotl. This is this one. This one over here. This one goes in there. Yeah. I really do think this is fun when flying and stuff. And this and this, this and this. But that's really messy. Anyway. This is the outside, can you see? If you can't really see it. I can't see it. Okay. I just found this one. I'm putting it on, because why not? I have this coffee. Let's check what's in here. Oh, this stuff. I don't know what that says. It wants to go outside. Just open the door. It's so that made myself there is a cut pack. And then a slap band. And then I made this like loom band rings. Just like these colours. I don't know why I made a brown one, but it's cool. And then I have these like really pretty unicorns. I'm not a big unicorn fan. I'm not even a big fan at all. But I just found them. I'll go get the blue one. Hold on. But I do have this blue one. Don't want this because I really don't have this. And also, I have this blue one. It's so cute. I named it Harley. so hard. But it is finished. This is Africa. I think this is Asia. This is Australia. I don't know what this is. I'm really bad at geography. And then I also have this boat, like icy blue one. This like more turquoisey. It looks more like turquoise than it does on camera. But this is blue. And this green hat is more dark. It's more darker than it like in real life. This is a heart. And I have this like bookmark of dogs. It looks so cool. And two like yeah. Okay. Oh, my windowsill. It's like nothing. There is something too. Okay. There's things and movies. Things like that I really need to take out. Do that. To move around. Now I have this like bag for my baby hairs and I can put like everything inside. This is what most of the things are like that. No file in here and I don't know why. There should be in the makeup bag. That's it. My room is half clean. Don't worry about that. That's it for today. Thanks.